Hello, welcome to Uncle J class. We are here again. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do me favor by subscribing to my channel so that you'll be getting all the updates. And anytime there's a new class, you'll be alerted. We are continuing on fractions, lesson 2. If you have not watched lesson 1, do well and watch lesson 1. Lesson 2, we are taking more serious question on fractions. We have 4 whole number 1 over 3 divided by 12 whole number 1 over 2 of 18 over 25. Last time we tried to define what board mass stand for. Board mass. We say in fractions like this, in simplification of fraction like this, we consider this short cut that B represent bracket O of D division, M multiplication, A addition, and the S subtraction. So if you are working fractions like this, if you are simplifying fraction like this, you first of all open the bracket. If there is off, you treat the off. Then before you now talk of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So based on this principle of board mass, we are going to first of all turn every question here into improper fraction because most of them are in mixed fraction or in proper fraction. We are going to turn them to improper fraction. What we're now going to have is 3 times 4, which is 12 plus 1, 13, 13 over 3. 13 over 3 divided by, in bracket, we now have 12 times 2, 24 plus 1, 25 over 2 of, which is multiplication, 18 over 25. So we discover that we can actually cancel out whatever that is here. We can treat off because this is off. We can treat opening the bracket by cancelling. So what we now have 25 by 25, it goes 2 divide itself 1, 2 divide 18 will give me 9. So what we now have is 13 over 3 divided by 9 is the only one, 9 over 1. You know, and when you have division, when you have fractions being divided by fractions, the division sign change to multiplication. When you change to multiplication, the last fraction will do reciprocal of it. The one will go up and the 9 will come down. So what we now have is 13 over 3. You apply multiplication, 1 will go up and 9 will be divided down. So by the time you multiply out, what you have is 13 over 30, no 20, 13 over 27, 27. And if you look at it very well, you notice that this fraction is proper fraction because the numerator is smaller than the denominator. And your answer is here. We are still going to take another complex one. 15 whole number 2 over 5 plus 1 whole number 3 over 10 minus 8 whole number 3 over 5. So let us see how we deal with it. Okay, 15 whole number 5 over 15 over 2 over 5 plus 1 3 over 10 minus 8 whole number 3 over 5. 8 whole number 3 over 5. Okay, You convert to improper fraction. 15 times 5 times 50 will give me 75 plus 2. 77 over 5 plus 10 times 1 is 10 plus 2. 12 over 10 minus 8 times 5 is 40 plus 3. 43 over 5. You find the LCM. I told us in lesson 1 that the easiest way of finding LCM, you multiply the denominators, or you look for a number that all the denominators will be able to, all the denominators are factor of that number, and they can be able to divide the number here. The LCM here is 10, because all the denominator will be able to divide 10. So divide the first fraction, the first denominator, the first fraction, the denominator of the first fraction divided by the LCM. Now divide the LCM by the first denominator of the fraction multiplied by the numerator. Likewise, second fraction and third fraction. So what we have 5 divide 10 divided by 5 will give me 2. 2 times 77 plus 10 divided 10, 1 times 12. That's 1 times 12. Okay? Minus 5 divided this 10. 10 divided by 5 will give me 2. 2 times 40. By the time you multiply, and this one will give me 14. Carry 1. 14 again plus that one 15. So plus 12 minus 43. This is 6, 8. All over 10. Okay, what we now have, we say 145 plus this. But you add 145 plus this will now give me 145. This is 6. This is 6. This is 6. 1 minus 86 all over 10. So minus 86 from this. 166 minus 86 will give me 0. 16 minus this 8 over 10. So I'm left with 80 over 10. And you can actually, 10 can go here. 10 divide itself 1. Divide 80 will give me 8. So your answer becomes 8. Thank you.